So now we're going to eliminate y. It has a negative here and it has a positive here. We are just adding. If we add, we have to get 2x squared equal to 8. So meaning that x squared equal to 8 divided by 2. We're going to divide both sides by 2. Then x squared is 4. We're going to find square root of 4. We're going to find square root of both sides. That's square root of x squared, which is equal to square root of 4. Our x is, remember when you find the square root of a number, it becomes plus or minus. This is plus or minus 2. So x has two values. It has x equal to positive 2 and x equal to negative 2. So after getting the value of x, it is very easy to get the value of y. So meaning that 2xy from equation 2 to xy, which is equal to 4. If x is 2, because x has two values, positive 2 and negative 2. If x is 2, that is 2 into bracket 2y equal to 4. So now, our y is, this is 4y equal to 4. We divide both sides by 4, so y equal to 1. So for x equal to 2, the value of y is what? 1. Then if x is negative 2, because the value of x has two values, positive 2 and negative 2. If x is negative 2, what is y? I also use equation 2, which is here. 2xy equal to 4. Then 2 into bracket negative 2, y equal to 4. So mean that negative 4y equal to 4. So therefore, we divide by negative 4 both sides. Our y is negative 1. So what does it mean? It means that when x is negative 2, the value of y is negative 1. So we have seen that if z, square root of z, because square root of a complex number is a complex number, its answer is z1. If z is a plus bi, z1 is x plus yi. So now we have the values of x and the values of y. So which means that the square root of 3 plus 4i, the square roots of 3 plus 4i are, because you have more than 1, the first one is, when x is 2, y equal to 1, are 2 plus I. X is 2, y is 1. And x is negative 2, and y is negative 1. So those are square root of 3 plus 4i. Are you getting this one for sure? Yeah. Let us try another one so that you can understand very well. So we have b. Let us try number b so that it can help you to understand very well. b, we have z equal to 1 plus I root 3. So what does it mean? It means that our a is 1, our b is root 3. Our a is 1, our b is root 3. Okay, so how can we do that? So we just use those three equations. X squared plus y squared equal, x squared minus y squared equal to a. 2xy equal to b. And x squared plus y squared equal to root a squared plus b squared. So now, x squared minus y squared will be equal to a, which is 1. 2xy will be equal to b, which is root 3. X squared plus y squared will be equal to root a, which is 1 squared, plus root 3 squared. So now we get x, we first use 1 and 3. X squared minus y squared is 1. This one, x squared plus y squared equal to 1 squared is 1. Root 3 squared is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. We just add because they have different signs. So we get 2x squared equal to 1 plus 2, that's 3. So x squared is 3 over 2. So x is plus or minus root 3 over 2. That's the value of x. So after getting the value of x, it will help us to get what? The value of y. So then now, we have x equal to plus or minus root 3 over 2. So which is the same as, you know that from when you have root a over b, this is the same as root a divided by root b. So which means that x equal to plus or minus root 3 divided by root 2. Then we have 2x from 2xy equal to root 3. So the value of x is going to help us to get the value of y. So if x is, because it has two values, if x equal to 3 over 2, what will be the value of y? So now y is 2 into bracket, this is root 2, into bracket root 3 over root 2 times y equal to root 3. This root 3 will cancel with this, we remain with 2 over root 2 y, which is equal to root 3. So we cross multiply. When you cross multiply, it will become 2 divided by root 2y equal to root 3, equal to, we have root 3y divided by root 2, 2 root 3y, which is equal to root 3. Then 2 root 3y over root 2 equal to root 3. This root 3 will cancel with this. We remain with 2 over root 2 y equal to 1. Then what we do, we cross multiply. Our y is root 2 over 2. So here what I have done, I have 2 over root 2y equal to 1 divided by 1. Just cross multiply. If I cross multiply, 2y equal to root 2. Then finally, I divide by 2 both sides. So y is what? Root 2 over 2. So when y is root 2 over 2, it means that x is root 3 divided by root 2. Then from there, if x is negative, root 3 over root 2, what is y? What will be y? What will be the value of y? So we have 2xy equal to root 3. So this is 2 into bracket negative root 3 over 2 y, which is equal to root 3. So this goes with this. We remain with negative, so this is root 2. We remain with negative 2 over root 2 y, which is root 3. Then we cross multiply, negative 2, sorry, this is 1. Negative 2y equal to root 2. Then y will be equal to negative 2 root 2 divided by 2. So when y is negative root 2 over 2, x is negative root 3 over 2. Therefore, the square root of z equal to 1 plus I root 3 are, we have two. The first one is when x is root 3 over 2, y is root 2 over, y is root 2 over 2 when x is root 3 over 2. So meaning that the square root of z equal to 1 plus I root 3 are root 3 over 2 over root 2 plus I root 2 over 2 and root negative, when x is negative root 3 over root 2, our y is negative root 2 over